Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. It's a Friday, guys. I wish you, of course, a nice weekend to start with this final day for this week, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Would it be red or would it be green? So we're gonna see currently in overview we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the yellow to finish a wave 3, meaning we are in a wave 5 in the yellow. If we move a little bit deeper, of course, we can see that this wave 5 is unfolding potentially in 3 ways toward the upside or in 1, 2, 3, and we're looking for a wave 4 and continuation for higher later on. This wave 4 can be finished, as we said, as running flat if the market wants to reverse, or it can simply continue toward the downside to hit the 1.38 taken, of course, from this wave A to the wave B, giving us a perfect target for a expanding flat wave C. Meaning right now we are looking WXY, potentially another WX and a Y, in case, of course, we are in a bigger recession. So this is our recession signal. If you remember, if this turns into WXY here, rather than being 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 continuation, that's scary, right? If we get a recession signal, that is not really good. So we might hit, of course, the 0.23 fib level taken, of course, from the bottom of this impulse for a wave 4 here. So meaning this wave 4, I need to unlock, meaning this wave 4 might shift to this area. But currently we still don't have it. So let us be patient. We might reverse even, or we might even finish here. Before calling a recession, guys. So basically, then we have two answers to get. Are we gonna reverse from here, or are we gonna continue to a wave 4 and then reverse for a recover for the market, or are we moving 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as a recession? That will be given, of course, later on. However, we still have two chances, right, before moving for a recession. Let's move and dive inside it, guys. On the 4-hour chart, we can see, of course, that we are still very corrective, right? So we're still very corrective. And yesterday, I have mentioned for Nasdaq in this price action, I think the 1-hour chart would be nicer. Here we go. So on the 1-hour chart, as you can see, we did not took any invalidation yet. So the invalidations of bearish at 19K 900 and the 20K 100 are not given yet, meaning we're still, of course, potentially looking for sideways until we get the low, or we simply move for higher. One of these scenarios. Meaning sideways, you are potentially in W, X, and a Y to finish 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Potentially, you want to see here a move toward the upside to finish at the 1-to-1 fib level taken from this move here to the top. So, something like that. Don't forget that with this move, it's gonna invalidate this 1, 2, 3, which you are into it right now. However, again, based on the time for a wave 2, this is very, very far to be a wave 4. Meaning the market is doing something, right? The market has started to do something against this move toward the downside. Plus, we are looking at the momentum that it has shifted toward the upside. And of course, as you can see in a channel here, moving for higher. Therefore, it was, of course, to start think in as well, or prepare for a bullish scenario, right? And I'm not bullish yet. Again, I repeat, I'm not bullish yet, but it is a time to start to think about being bullish. Reversal. So what if that this transformed to a 1 ABC expanding flat for wave 2, perfect impulse for a second one, and then 2. And what if we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 continuation towards the upside? Now the price from yesterday doesn't show really like direct move towards the upside, but it might still need some time potentially. If we move inside it here, we can see, it's not really even possible anymore. So 1, 2, 3, 4 invalidation, right? So here are the signals that we start to get. Meaning more sideways, no invalidation of bearish hit, and even no continuation toward the downside currently, meaning it can be something more sideways, yeah, W, X for a triangle A, B, C, D, E, and then having another flat or zigzag toward the downside. This is what I'm expecting. I'm gonna start to label this. I'm gonna make this a little bit less noisy here and more cleaner. So potentially W, and we're looking potentially for X in a triangle and a Y. This is what I'm looking for. Here we go. So what if this is a triangle here? Yeah, here we go. And let's clean up a little bit. I think it's better to remove this just to see the price action nicely. So we're looking here at a W, X, meaning A, B, potentially wave C, D, and an E to finish a wave X. And you're looking for any structure for a wave Y. So potentially any structure for a wave Y, meaning it can be a zigzag or something like that. Again, yeah, if in case that this invalidation was given, because you would like to take the high anyway if you are in a correction, but not in WXY, yeah, this is a problem. When you have WXY, it can finish anything, even without taking the high. Like you might finish here in wave E, and then it decides to make a simple flat, for example, and move towards the downside. We're gonna see this, guys. What I'm saying here, we are still very corrective, still very sideways after a move toward the downside, meaning higher potential still for the bearish, of course, and soon or later, unless, of course, we see those invalidation levels taken by the price. Very simple. That's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.